Now we'll put this in comment, and now we will import numpy as well, because our images are nothing but they are array of multi-dimension, right? So import numpy as np, and also we will import cv2 as well. Now here what we are going to do is we'll create a array. Okay, so here we are going to create a image img, and here we know that images are nothing but they are array of your different shapes, right? So here we'll just write np dot array, and we are going to create a array which has shape your 512 comma 512, that is length and breadth, and it has 3 channels, that means it is of RGB channel. Okay, now here we are going to display this image. So we have created an image which is initialized with, and we have np dot array, we have created an array. Now we want to make this array all the values should be zeros. So instead of array, we'll just write np dot zeros. So all the values will be initialized with your zeros only. Okay, that means we have a dark image now. Alright, now let's show this. So what this image is. So we will just write cv2 dot imshow, and here we want to show this in your new window. So here we'll give new window, let's say, okay, and the image. So here our img, and again we will write cv2 dot weight key, and here we won't pass anything, and here we'll give cv2 dot destroy all windows. So destroy all windows here. Okay, now let's run it. So let's run it now. So first we have to save this and F5. Okay, so we are getting this image where you are getting the black color. It is dark image because the pixel intensity we have given is 0. Okay, so let's close this. Let's get back to our idle, and here we are going to draw a rectangle now. So here now we will draw a rectangle on our image. So rectangle, we are going to draw a rectangle on our image. So here to draw a rectangle, we need its coordinates, right? Where our rectangle is going to be placed. So here to draw this rectangle, we will just write cv2 dot rectangle, cv2 dot rectangle, and we want to draw this rectangle on our img. So we want to draw this rectangle on the img. Okay, then we will give the coordinates. That is, here we are going to pass your 2 coordinates. To draw this rectangle, we just need 2 diagonal coordinates, right? That is your x and y coordinates of one diagonal and x and y coordinates of other diagonal. So here we will just give 200 comma 100. Okay, and the diagonal of the coordinate of second diagonal element here will give 300 comma 1, let's say 300 comma 1. Then we want to draw this rectangle. So this rectangle should have which color combination? So here we can give, let's say, 255. This is the pixel intensity of your BGR. So in OpenCV we follow BGR channel, not RGB. So 0 comma 255. Okay, so our B is high, 255. So we have green is low, and then we have BGR. So here is your red, right? And here the width of this rectangle box. So here let's say we give it as 3. Now let's save this, and if we run it, here it says CV2 has no. Okay, so we have made a spelling mistake again. So rectangle. So we have forgot N here. Let's save it and run this. Alright. So now here if you see, we are getting this rectangle, right? And it is the width. Now this is the color combination that we have given, where we have given 255, 0, 255. If you want, you can play around with this value, but make sure that this value is between 0 to 255 only. Now if you want to make it filled, so here if I give 0, this box is going to be filled now. Okay, so sorry, it has been, the thickness of this border, this line has been decreased, right? So here what we can do is, I can just give some negative value, and in that case it will be filled. Let's run it. So here, now we are getting a filled rectangle. You can place it anywhere, you just need to change the coordinates. Okay, so this is how we are going to draw your rectangle on your images.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codegnan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as Codegnan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section, and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.